Hello, Zoe. How are you today?
Hi, Riz. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fantastic. Are you ready for today's fun conversation?
Yes, I am excited. What will we talk about today?
Today, we are going to talk about personal growth, daily habits, and how to stay motivated.
Oh, that sounds interesting. I want to learn how to grow and stay motivated.
That's great. Let's start slowly. Do you know what personal growth means?
Mm, Not exactly. Can you explain?
Of course. Personal growth is about improving yourself every day. It can be learning new skills, building good habits, or just being a better person.
So it's like becoming better and stronger each day.
Exactly. And daily habits are small actions we do every day that help us grow.
Oh, that makes sense.
Let's start with the first habit, waking up early.
Mm, I usually wake up late, around 9 or 10 a.m.
Many people do. But waking up early, like 6 or 7 a.m., gives you more time for yourself. You can exercise, read, or plan your day.
That sounds useful.
Yes. Repeat after me. I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
Very good. Now say it with confidence.
I wake up early every day.
Excellent. Small actions lead to big results over time.
That makes sense. What is the next habit?
The next habit is reading every day.
I like reading, but I don't read much.
That's okay. Start small. Even 10 minutes every day helps. Reading improves your knowledge and your English, too.
That's true. I can start today.
Repeat after me. I read books every day to learn new things.
I read books every day to learn new things.
Perfect. Now say it naturally, like you really do it.
I read books every day to learn new things.
Very good. Now let's talk about exercise.
Exercise. Like running or yoga?
Yes, exercise keeps your body healthy and your mind active. Even walking 20 minutes a day is excellent.
Oh, I can do that.
Repeat after me. I exercise every day to stay healthy.
I exercise every day to stay healthy.
Excellent! And remember, small steps are better than doing nothing.
I will start with small walks.
That's perfect. Habit number 4 is planning your day.
Ooh, I sometimes forget what I need to do.
That's normal. Planning helps you stay organized and motivated. You can make a daily to-do list.
Like writing my tasks for the day?
Exactly. Repeat this sentence. I plan my day to reach my goals.
I plan my day to reach my goals.
Very good. Planning gives direction and helps you stay on track.
I understand now.
Let's do a mini practice. I will ask questions and you answer. Ready?
Yes.
Question 1. What is one habit to stay healthy?
Exercise.
Good. Question 2. What is one habit to grow your mind?
Reading every day.
Excellent. Question 3. What can help you stay motivated?
Writing my goals and small wins.
Perfect, Zoe. You are doing amazing.
Thank you, Riz.
Now, let me share a short story. Yesterday, I woke up at 6 a.m., read a chapter of a book, exercised for 20 minutes, and wrote my daily plan. At first, I felt sleepy, but by 9 a.m., I was full of energy and ready to work.
Wow. I want to feel that energy too.
You can. Start with small steps. Even one habit a day is enough to begin.
I will start waking up early tomorrow.
Excellent. Repeat after me. I start my day with good habits to grow every day.
I start my day with good habits to grow every day.
Wonderful. Now let's add a few more habits.
Yes, please.
Gratitude is important. Every day, write 3 things you were thankful for. It keeps your mind positive.
Oh, that is nice. I will try.
Repeat. I practice gratitude every day.
I practice gratitude every day.
Perfect. Another habit is drinking enough water. Our body works better when we stay hydrated.
True. I forget sometimes.
Repeat. I drink water to stay healthy and energetic.
I drink water to stay healthy and energetic.
Excellent. Now let's talk about time management. Use your time wisely. Avoid too much phone or TV.
I spend a lot of time on my phone.
Many people do. Small changes help. For example, spend 30 minutes learning English or reading instead.
That sounds doable.
Repeat. I use my time wisely to grow every day.
I use my time wisely to grow every day.
Very good. Now let's do fun practice. I will ask some questions and you answer.
I'm ready.
Question 1. Name one habit to stay healthy.
Exercise.
Good. Question 2. Name one habit to grow your mind.
Reading every day.
Excellent. Question 3. What can help you stay motivated?
Writing my goals and small wins.
Perfect, Zoe. You are doing amazing.
Thank you, Riz.
Now, remember, listeners, building good habits takes time. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate progress.
Yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz's English channel so others can also learn and improve their English.
Exactly. Daily habits, small wins, and motivation create a better life. And English learning fits perfectly in your daily routine.
I will follow these tips starting tomorrow.
Wonderful. Repeat one last time. I practice daily habits to grow and stay motivated.
I practice daily habits to grow and stay motivated.
Perfect. And a final note for all listeners. Start today. Even a small step counts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Riz's English channel to help your friends learn English too.
Thank you, Riz. I learned so much today.
You're welcome, Zoe. Keep practicing your habits and speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye. Keep growing and stay motivated.